y'all, we're here at Sizemore Creek in Atmore, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and so much more. This community features some amazing amenities such as a clubhouse, a fitness center, and a swimming pool. Today, we'll be looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. Right by the front door, there's a convenient coat closet and the spacious living room that's perfect for entertaining. That leads right into the dining room, the fully equipped kitchen, and the laundry room, which features washer and dryer connections. Off of the living space, you'll find a linen closet, a full bathroom, and the spacious bedroom, which features a ceiling fan and a closet. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a fitness center and a community room with lots of seating and a community kitchen. Outside, you'll find a swimming pool and a playground. Click the link below to book your tour today.